How to make a better use ICT in education. Hello, my name is Aslan David Tarapuez. I am a student of the 8th semester of the Bachelor degrees in English at the University Corporation of Caribbean. I'm going to tell about how to make better use ICT in education. For this, I have two videos as a reference. My idea of the first video. The main idea of the first video is a presentation of ICT as well as its use in teaching, its benefits or utilities and contribution to the teaching learning process. The main idea of the second video. The main idea of the second video is to show how ICT helps to energize a learning environment. Compare and contrast of both videos. I believe that when comparing to the two videos, both intend to present ICT as tool that favors the teaching learning process. In the same way, however, when contrasting the first present ICT as a set of tools that facilitate the process, and the second video to show the dynamics of the class, making it fun and entertainment. Suggesting for a better use of ICT in the classroom and how to teachers can improve the effective use of the TICs tools. My suggestion for a better use of ICT in the classroom and how to teachers can improve the effective use of this tool is as teachers we must appropriate the tool the ICT provide because we know that they favor the process of the teaching learning, making it more dynamic, effective, productive, efficient, and collaborative, but always directed by the teacher, at last until the student required a responsible commitment to their training process. In conclusion, ICT are tools that strengthen teaching and learning. In addition to increasing opportunity to access knowledge, develop collaborative skills, and instill positive values in students. Bye.